Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor, and the nice weather continues into your weekend here. So going into Sunday, it's going to be a chilly start. Temps will be in the upper 30s outside of the city and the low 40s inside the Metro Detroit area, especially the closer you are to downtown. But we'll have some areas of seeing some fog out there, but once we get into the afternoon, sunshine should take over. That's going to warm us out of the low 40s into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees in most spots across Metro Detroit. I'm thinking we can also get close to 70 degrees again on Monday, but it's just not going to be as pretty. Clouds return Monday morning. We'll have some scattered showers in the morning, but I think the chance of rain only increases throughout the day, especially as we approach Monday night going into Tuesday. We could even see some thunderstorms there, and that'll be just day one of another soggy setup going into next week. So make sure you get out there and enjoy your Sunday. It's going to be a nice one. It's 43 degrees for tonight, partly cloudy, areas of fog with the light winds and clearing skies. Once we can get done with the fog in the morning, we should be able to bounce back to a sunny and warm day. High temp of around 70 degrees. That's going to be the warmest over the next 7, I believe anyway. We'll get close again on Monday, but that comes with clouds and also some rain. And once that pattern sets up, it'll stay with us with multiple chances at least of seeing some showers almost every day next week. But it looks like the heaviest rain is going to arrive Wednesday night going into Thursday, where we could see some heavy rain and also some embedded storms. Hey, thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Hallie for your Sunday morning.